Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss a very simple trick to make your PC run faster. So you can see this weather information on the taskbar, and when you hover over here you can see the news information. And if you want to turn it off, just right click on the taskbar and go to the taskbar settings, and here just go to the taskbar and scroll down, and you can see the shows news and interest on the taskbar, and just turn it off, and you can see there is no weather information and there is no news information on the taskbar. So another thing that you must do, when you see the search bar, you can see this also. So just go to the taskbar, right click and go to the search, and here just disable it, show search highlights. So when you disabled it, you can now see there is no image and there are no highlights in the search. So you can see it's very easy. So I repeat again, go to the news and interest and you can turn it on, and even you can go to the search, and here you can disable the show search highlights, and even you can disable this search box and search icon. So it's all upon you, and even you can hide it. So that's all. So this simple trick can make your PC faster, because whenever you turn on the system, news and other settings will not be automatically loaded. News will not be loaded automatically. So that's all. So thank you.